Just when you thought Beacons already had every single tool to help you make money as a creator, we released this new feature and your mind is once again blown. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Beacons. It's Ivan once again to tell you all about how Beacons is the best all-in-one platform for creators to grow and monetize. We are so excited to share with y'all a brand new, eagerly awaited affiliate link feature. Yes, on top of all the ways you can make some money on Beacons, we have decided to expand on that and bring affiliate links to Beacons products. Affiliate links are links you can create on your products for people to share, and that affiliate that shares them can get a commission on the sales they generate. For example, let's say I create a product for $20 and I make an affiliate link for that product at a commission rate of 50%. If your fans decide to promote that product and share that link, they will get 50% commission on those sales. $10 for you, $10 for them. Everyone wins. It's a super easy and very effective marketing tool to help you generate more sales. Beacons makes it super easy to create and earn commission on affiliate links. I'll show you how. Alrighty, real quick before we do anything, you need to make sure you have a digital product that you're selling on Beacons. If you don't have a digital product but want to learn how to make one, check out this tutorial we have right here. If you have a digital product on another platform but want to switch over to Beacons and benefit from all our tools in the platform and with affiliates, check out this video on how to import your digital products onto Beacons right here too. After you have your digital product up and ready to go, click on the product you want to create an affiliate link for. Once you're in the product builder, head to the right hand side and closer to the bottom, you'll see the affiliate share section and click on that. Click here to create your affiliate link and you'll see two things. On the left, you can adjust the percentage of commission that your affiliates will receive when they share your link and people will buy from it. And on the right, you'll have the option to copy it, and there we go. Share that link with your affiliates. Make sure you send them our guide on exactly how they have to set that link up in their own Beacon store in order to get credit for making the sale as your affiliate. And then just watch the sales roll in. Now, let's say you want to share an affiliate link from another seller. We make it super easy to share and profit from it too. Now, before anything, there are three things you absolutely need. Make sure you have a Beacons account. If you don't have one yet, click the link in the description to sign up for free. Second thing, you need to make sure your Beacons account has a payment processor connected. We gotta have a way to send you your commission. If you need help with that, check out this tutorial. Last thing is, of course, the Beacons product affiliate link from another creator. Once you have those three things, we can get to rock and rolling. Once you're logged into Beacons, head to the store app on the left-hand navigation. Then hit new product in the upper right. You'll be greeted with a couple of options, but you're going to hit the external link block on the bottom right. Paste the affiliate link from the original seller, then hit add, and boom, it is ready to be shared. If the top of the link says Beacons affiliate in a red box like this, that means it is in our affiliate program. However, if it says external link in a green box, that means that the link isn't associated with any affiliate product and you may have gotten the wrong link. So make sure to double check to be sure. We have one last step to go. You gotta add your affiliate link to your link in bio. So on the left-hand navigation, click on link in bio at the top. Either edit your existing store block or add one in the add block section. Then click on add product, and now the affiliate link is displayed in your store block. You are now all set to start earning affiliate commission sales from this product. Creating, sharing, and earning affiliate links has never been better and easier. With the Beacon Suite, you now have another way to monetize your content on top of everything else we offer. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. Also, while you're at it, check out our other tools and apps. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Alright y'all, see you next time.